Hello friends, and welcome to our channel, or welcome back if you're not new. I am Giovanna, and here on Willis Homestead we are learning to be self-sufficient. We are gardening, budgeting, canning, preserving, all the things. On today's video we are going to go over my 2025 seeds for this gardening year, and a few tips to starting or increasing your garden. So I have been gardening for about 13 years. This is just the third grow season of being in this house. So that comes to tip number one. It may take a minute to figure out your yard type. If you don't have a yard, you can also grow in buckets, and you can grow in you can grow in containers, buckets. Before we moved here, I used to grow in containers and buckets because we didn't have a yard, and two, it wasn't our home for me to be able to dig up anything. Now we have a fenced-in yard. Right now I have one garden bed. I did do a kit garden last year, but we are revamping the actual growing area this year so we can grow a lot more things and preserve a lot more things. But with that being said, I am going to go over my 2025 seeds for this year. I have gotten seeds. I've did 2 orders from M.I. Gardener and then 1 from Baker's Creek, which is rare seed. So we'll go into the Baker's Creek seeds first. It comes in a cardboard, and then you just pull it flat. I have opened these, but I wanted to go over them. So the thing with Baker's Creek, they send you a free pack of seeds. So my free seed is Love Lies Bleeding Red. I've never grown them. This year I am doing a flower garden, so I don't know if I'm going to put them in my flower garden this year or not. And then I did order some mint because I want to do my own teas, cayenne pepper. I do have some cayenne peppers. I did grow cayenne pepper last year. I think I'm going to grow like 2 plants this year because I made a 1 jar of hot sauce and it's just about gone. So I want to make at least 2 or 3 jars of hot sauce. So we do have that. And then I have the carrots because I want to juice some carrots and make my own carrot juice because I juice some vegetables and I drink them. So I do want to be able to juice carrots, and they said this is a good juicing carrot, so that's why I got those. And then I also have my other, I've been waiting to do this video, so now I can just take these out of here and put them away in my seed container, and I will show you guys that in a little bit. So I have some cinnamon basil, I have some cilantro, and I did grow this cilantro last year and wanted a lot more cilantro. I have a cabbage. I have not been successfully at growing cabbage yet, but I am definitely going to do cabbage this year. So those are the ones from Baker's Creek. Then, like I said, I have 2 packets from M.I. Gardener, and then they also send you a free seed pack. I'm doing a flower garden this year, so I did order a lot of flowers because I'm doing a flower garden this year. So I have some snapdragons, I have apple blossom snapdragon, I have white snowflake, snapdragon, and I have rose snapdragon. I definitely want to do a flower garden just to bring some pollinators. I have some spaghetti squash because I love spaghetti squash, and I can get these and they'll last for a long time even without cutting them. And then because so last year I went vegetarian and improved my health. So this year I definitely want to, starting the beginning of the year, so January, I am going to go back vegetarian. So I want to get a lot of vegetables that I know I will eat and be able to have, so when I need the vegetables. I'm thinking of getting eggplant too. I haven't gotten eggplant yet, but I think I'm going to place one more order, and I think I'm going to order from M.I. Gardener again to get the rest of the seeds that I want to grow. So some spaghetti squash, the teddy bear sunflower. I got these because they're just so cute. I was able to successfully grow, I think I grew 3 sunflowers last year, but it was a bird that came and ate the seeds, which I was okay with because it was the prettiest bird. It was yellow and black. I've never seen this bird before, but it ate my sunflower. So I'm going to grow quite a bit more sunflowers so that way he can eat some sunflowers and I'll still have some. And then I got some lemon mints because my thing is I want to make my own teas this year. They also send you a little, so you can save some of your seeds. So I will be saving some seeds from this stuff. They sent a free pack, which is a salad mix, and I don't know if I'm gonna grow that. And then I got some basil. I have some Italian, I got 3 different kinds of basil. Italian basil, lemon basil, and celery, because I want to be able to juice some celery and make some. I also make my own celery salt that I want to be able to do this year. So that was the first order from M.I. Gardener. And then I realized that I needed to order more. I think this one has more of my flowers and stuff than this one. So then, no, it should have been another basil in here. Maybe not. So I do have another cayenne pepper because, like I said, I'm gonna save seeds, but definitely cayenne pepper. Then I have my chocolate cherry sunflower, my pickling cucumbers, because I did pickle cucumbers, but they were last year, but they were not pickling cucumbers, so the skin got kind of mushy. My kids still ate them all. I think I have 1 jar of pickles left, but pickling cucumber skin is just a little tougher. I got some baby Roma tomatoes because I want to make salsa and pasta sauce. I do have some beefsteaks and Ace 55 in my bin. And then I have sunflower. This is the Autumn Beauty sunflower. And then I got some paprika peppers because I want to dry and make my own paprika. I got the Hungarian hot wax because I want to make pickled banana peppers because we eat a lot of them. We like them on our nachos. We like them on our taco salads. We like them on our pizzas. So I want to can some of my own. We have the bell peppers because my thing with this is if I can get plenty of peppers, I can make stuffed peppers and freeze them, or I can dice up the peppers and put them in the freezer. So I want to do that. And then every year I attempt to grow onions, and I'm going to keep attempting to grow onions until I get at least an onion bulb. So I got the ruby red and the Walla Walla onions. I'm going to keep attempting to grow onions until I am successfully at growing onions. So I have to go through these and see exactly what I want to grow. Oh yeah, and then they sent another salad green mix in this one as well. I may grow the salad green mix. I may not. I don't know for sure. So those are the seeds from M.I. Gardner and Baker's Creek. I am going to do an actual video of all the seeds. Let me grab them real quick. Now that I've done this video, I can put my seeds away, but this is my seeds. These are all the ones that's still empty. These are the ones that I have put seeds in. So this is my seed bin. I just got that from, I think, Joann's. When they had it on sale, I think I paid like, and I might have gotten it from Hobby Lobby for $5.99. And then the containers that's in there, which are like pitcher containers. I think I ordered these from Amazon. And they weren't much either. So that's what I store all my seeds in. I will do a more in-depth video about my seeds and what I'm planting and all of that. But I just wanted to get this seed haul done so I can get them off my table, put them away, and see what actually I'm growing. I'm also definitely growing garlic this year. The garlic is in the garden bed outside already. I put that in at like October something or another, like the end of October or the middle of October. I put those in the ground. Those are gonna come out like June or July. I am in zone 6B, growing zone. So, and that's another tip. Know your grow zone. Know what you can grow in your area. Know what grows well. There's like the onions, there's different varieties. So there's long day and short day. Know which one grows better in your zone, so you'll have more of a success at growing your own food. So yeah, so with that being said, I'm going to get off of here. I have to make some blueberry syrup, so I'm going to get that made. I may do a video. I don't know for sure. It depends on if I actually get it done or not today. I'm hoping to go ahead and get it done today, because I have a lot of pancake mix that I want to make up some waffles and put in the freezer forever. They can just grab and go as they want to. So with that being said, I am ready. Well, not necessarily ready, because like I said, I still probably want to do one more seed order. I may need to do one more seed order. I may not. I'm not sure. I have to look and see if I have zucchini seeds. I'm going to do some beans this year. I don't have melons here, but I'm going to attempt again to grow watermelon and honeydew melons, and attempting to do a cabbage again this year. And cucumbers and tomatoes grow very well here. So that is what I'm doing. I'm going to get these put away, get my papers put in the thing, because I keep all of this, because this is shows like what I've ordered and where I've ordered from. I think Baker's Creek may be already in there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, because we will be starting seeds soon. This is the 29th of December. I think my first set of onions and something else has to be started in January. I have to figure out my setup this year, which I'm still working on all the bells and whistles of growing this year. So yeah, so please like and subscribe because we will be doing more videos. Thanks to all my new subscribers. It's just been a few, but I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thanks for all the new views on my last few videos. A lot of you guys are not subscribed, so hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. And then you can get a wealth of knowledge. Also, if you have any questions, please put them down in the comment box below. I will answer each question that I can, or will answer each comment, each question. And then if it's overabundance of questions, I will do a separate Q&A video. So yeah, thanks for subscribing. Please, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.